Welcome everyone. So today we have a question which says 50% of a number, 50% is 100. Then 10% is what? So now in this case it's very easy. Please understand, if 50% is 100, what will be 100%? We need to multiply both sides by 2. So 100% would be what? 200, right? Now, in order to find 10%, basically in order to find 10%, I divided both sides by 10, right? So now 200 divided by 10, answer comes out to be 20. Okay, see, this is very easy. Please understand. Here you could have taken a variable, let's say 50% of x is 100. So x is what? 50% is nothing but what? 100. This will be what? 50 upon 100 into x. So now in order to find the value of x, we will multiply both sides by 100 and divide both sides by 50. So we have 50 into 100. This is 1 za, 2 za. This is getting you 200. Value of x has now become 200. Now we want to find 10%. 10% of x. So 10% of 200, that gets you, the zeros are cancelling. So 2 into 10, that gets you 20. So either this way or this way, you can get your answers. But this method is super important to learn in case of entrances. Okay, because here you will literally save lot of seconds. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.